Merry meet and welcome to the Witch's Cauldron. My name's Paula. This is the next video in my Wicca 301 series focusing on divination, and it's the next in the series about tarot. This is the Suit of Swords. And yes, I still have the same shirt on that I've had on in a couple other videos because I filmed back-to-back videos because I had time to do that. And so then I could have them pre-filmed and be able to edit them and get them up at my leisure. So yes, it's the same shirt. Okay. So this is about the Suit of Swords. Okay. These are the air signs. It is ruled by air. And so the air signs are Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay. Remember that I'm giving you very high level, broad keywords. Okay. These are not every single meaning. By all means, the meanings change based on the reading that you're doing, the spread that you use, and what the spread is focused on, whether it's a love reading, a general reading, a money reading, whatever. Okay. So I do have a playlist of what are called Tarot Tuesdays. I'm still working on those really in-depth ones. I'm about a little over halfway through the major arcana. So if you're interested in that, I will link it in the description box. Those videos, Tarot Talks or Tarot Tuesdays, go into depth about each card and each category that you could come up in the most common tarot spreads. Okay. So remember that aces are a call to action. They're about that element's raw power. Okay. So when you think of air, you're thinking about knowledge, you're thinking about wisdom, creativity, things of that nature. Okay. The Suit of Swords is also probably the most feared suit in the tarot deck. When I do readings, I tell my querents that if you want a, glitter and unicorns reading and you want me to take out all the Suit of Swords, I'm not going to do it. So these tend to have really brutal meanings to them. Okay. This is not a happy suit in the tarot cards. Okay. So the Ace of Swords in the upright position is raw power. It can be victory, breakthroughs. It's telling you to make intelligent choices and to have mental clarity, usually about something that can be very hurtful to you in your future. Okay. In the reversed, it's a state of confusion. It's a state of chaos and a lack of clarity about things. Okay. The Two of Swords. Upright, it's about indecision, choices, truce, emotional withdrawal, having blocked emotions, and being at a stalemate with someone. In the reverse position, it's confusion, it's having info overload, and indecision. Next is the Three of Swords. In the upright position, the Three of Swords is about a painful separation. It's about heartbreak. It's sorrow. It's grief. It's rejection. It's betrayal. In the reverse position, it's about releasing pain, having some optimism, and giving somebody forgiveness. The Four of Swords in the upright position, it's about contemplation, passivity, recuperation, relaxation, rest. It's telling you to take a break or you're going to burn out. Okay. In the reverse position, it's being very restless, burnout, and getting frustrated because of a lack of progress. The Five of Swords in the upright is about conflict, tension, loss, defeat. It's someone that wants to win at all costs. It's about betrayal, dishonor, and disgrace. In the reverse position, it's about past resentments, but being open to change. Okay. The Six of Swords in the upright is being regretful, but something, you regret something, but it was something necessary that you had to do. It's about a recovery from illness, usually in health readings. It's about transition. It's a rite of passage. It's a pity party and a full-blown depression, okay? In the reverse position, it's carrying that emotional baggage and your inability to move on. Seven of Swords. So in the upright is betrayal, deception, someone's getting away with something, stealth, shame, and criminal activity. In other words, there's some sneaky shit going on, all right? In the reverse position, it's about mental challenges and breaking free from a situation. The Eight of Swords in the upright position is isolation. This is the self-imposed restriction. If you look at the card, you can see that if she would just wiggle a little bit against that sword, she could cut those ropes and be free from that situation. But she'd rather be tied to the sword blindfolded, okay? This is what I call the victim card. It's about also imprisonment. Sometimes it can actually mean a prison sentence if you're doing a legal reading for somebody. And this is also a state of what I call analysis paralysis. So where you just have information so much going on that you cannot make head nor tails of anything, so you do nothing, all right? In the reverse position, it means you are released from that situation and you are open to new perspectives and new ways of thinking. The Nine of Swords in the upright position is depression. It's nightmares, it's intense anxiety, it is despair, it's insomnia. This is the shit that keeps you up at night. You want a depression card? This is it, okay? In the reversed position, it's about a severe depression. It's about torment and being completely hopeless about something. This could be someone that you need to really look out for, all right? The Ten of Swords in the upright position. This is one where you are defeated. You could be stabbed in the back. There is a crisis, a betrayal that you would have never imagined. It's about endings. It's about ugly endings, okay? It's about loss, and it's being at rock bottom. This would be someone you need to watch out that they don't do something stupid like take their own life, okay? In the reverse position, the Ten of Swords in the upright is also often comes up with addictions to substances like alcohol, being alcoholic, or being a substance abuser. In the reverse position, the Ten of Swords is about recovery, regeneration, but it's coming to an inevitable end about something and fear of being ruined, okay? The Page of Swords in the upright position. You remember pages and knights are usually messengers. So the Page of Swords in the upright can be a younger male that is very talkative, curious, mentally restless, energetic, and it can also stand for the damn office gossip, okay? The Page of Swords reversed. It's about someone who is all talk and no action. It's about undelivered promises and being too hasty about something, okay? The Knight of Swords in the upright position is someone, usually a male, that is extremely opinionated, hasty. They are action-oriented. They are very communicative, but this card also tells you to watch what you say and to who you say it to, because they can come back and stab you in the back, okay? The reversed position is scattered thought and having complete disregard for the consequences. It's like throwing all caution to the wind, jumping off the bridge, even though you know you're going to break your neck in the fall. Okay, that kind of stuff. The Queen of Swords. In the upright position, this is a lady with no bullshit. She is a quick thinker. She's very organized, perceptive, independent, will tell it how it is, and she cuts through the bullshit to get to the core of things. Now, I will tell you that even though I am a Leo, this is my card when it comes up in the tarot reading. That's me. So you don't have to be completely limited. It can be someone with those personality traits. Even though I'm a Leo and a fire sign, this is my card that comes up for me all the time as like the significator for me in a tarot reading. Okay. In the reversed position, it's someone who can be overly emotional, a drama queen, can be really bitchy, or someone who is really cold-hearted, particularly a female that is just cold-hearted as hell. The King of Swords in the upright position is a clear thinker. They seek the truth. They're very analytical. They have intellectual power, okay, and they have authority. The reversed is someone who is very abusive, manipulative, and tyrannical, okay? As always, I tell you that there are numerous more meanings to these cards. And if you want to, research them more thoroughly, I encourage you to. There is a link to a Google Doc in the description box of this video to these general meanings for the tarot cards for the entire deck. So you're more than welcome to, pull that document up and look at it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. I would deeply appreciate it. And as I always say, my friends, merry we did meet, merry we will part until we merry meet again. Be well and walk in love and light, everybody. Bye.